In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw an entity relationship diagram in Lucidchart. Now, the easiest way to do this is using either templates or AI. So if I go to AI over here, I can just tell it, create an entity relationship diagram about, and then you can just put in the topic. So for this example, I'm just going to do like a student course registration system. So I'm going to do of on, there we go. I'm going to press enter, and it's going to start analyzing all the details. And whenever that's done, you'll be able to see it's going to generate me an amazing like entity or diagram example over here, which is going to be completely customizable. There we go. It's already ready. I can go and move it around. I can change things. I can go and kind of customize it to my own way. And that's literally the easiest way to do it. However, if you want a bit more customization, you could go and use these templates. You could just type in entity, and then here, relationship diagram. You have a bunch of different options as well. You could just preview these or use any of them if you need them, or you could go very basic. You could go to shapes and you could build your own. So for example, if I type in entity, as you can see, it's going to give me like a bunch of different entities. For entity diagram, I can just type in entity diagram as well. Maybe it's going to pop something up. It's not going to, but still you get the point. You could go and just find different shapes, and that way you can then just kind of create your entity relationship diagram basically like from scratch without any AI or templates even at that. So that's essentially all the ways to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.